GBPUSD is pushing to the upside in the last hour or so. The reason for this is that the central bank cut rates, but they didn't pivot as the market anticipated. So while they did cut rates by 25 basis points to 4.25, they didn't give any hints that they're about to quickly cut rates even more. The market thought that we were going to see two more cuts over the next three rate meetings. Instead, the bank told us that they would be gradual and careful with their rate cuts. Moreover, two members voted to hold rates unchanged. So the market is now getting out of these bearish positions in terms of interest rates, and that is pushing GBPUSD to the upside. What's also interesting is that the White House has announced that there's a trade deal between the US and UK, and that can give the UK a bit of an advantage over a couple of weeks or a couple of months, where people would prefer to buy via the UK or UK made instead of buying from Europe or other places. And that could boost the British pound as well. And that as well, that piece of news is boosting crypto, is boosting stock indices. So things are going in the right direction in terms of risk. And this is also something that could benefit GBPUSD. So from a trading perspective, it's actually very straightforward. And we've been trapped here for about 20 days. And this is great because the longer we're trapped here, the better is the breakout whenever that happens. And what I like here is that if we break about 134.40, then we could have a push up to 134.50, which is the difference between this point and this point, 210 pip. But that's not really what makes me really interested, because what makes me really interested is the fact that if we push above here, we could actually trigger this massive double top pattern that has a super aggressive target of 1.47. And don't have to necessarily go all the way up there. But if we go at, say, 38, then suddenly, or even 40, then suddenly trading on that breakout becomes even better because your risk-reward ratio just gets so much better.